Here it comes again, Dad. On the back side, we got some big fat snowflakes coming in. There's your grandsons down there. They made them $20 each by hitting some of these, the driveway next door, and some pumpkin bread. I don't know if you can see the snow or not, but it's beautiful. Big fat snowflakes. Did y'all go try a Dylan on us? Where? Right there.
No.
That might be a score. What'd everybody else say? No. All right. Hey, you know what no's mean? They're closer to the next yes. I'd try over there at that one there. Maybe go up half a block up the street. See what happens. Okay? Love y'all.